Hey guys, welcome to Men's Grooming Advice. If you're new here, make sure to click subscribe for weekly videos for skincare, fragrance reviews and tips for confidence and to help you become the best version of you. It's interesting reading skincare forums and blogs, as one subject that's debated a lot is around toners, specifically if you really need to use them or if they're just a waste of time and money. In case you're unsure where I am in this argument, I'm a firm believer in the use of toner. Not only does a toner prepare the skin for serums and moisturisers to follow, but when I introduced a toner to my own skin routine many years ago, it gave an instant and more noticeable improvement to my skin than any other type of product I'd used. For me, a toner is a must-have in your routine if you're serious about skincare. So, is this Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner worthy of a place on our shelves? My usual go-to toner is the Advanced Replenishing Toner from Paula's Choice, which I've gone through probably 3 bottles, so yes, I really like that toner and would happily recommend it. I also have some Korean toners on order, but as they take a couple of weeks to arrive, it gave me a perfect chance to try this before I get distracted with those. I admit it, I'm a total Korean skincare addict. This is my first try of a first aid beauty product, although I have brought several others that I plan to start using and reviewing soon. I did really want to try their retinol under eye cream, but could not bring myself to pay £34 for a tiny tube. So this 177ml bottle cost me £18 from feelunique.com, which compares very favourably with the Paula's Choice, which cost £22. It's alcohol free and also PETA approved as being totally cruelty free. It's designed for sensitive skin, but it's also perfect for dry and combination skin. It contains high quality ingredients including colloidal oatmeal, honey, hyaluronic acid and propolis extract. The latter is known for having a calming, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial action. It has a milky consistency and absorbs very easily into the skin. You can add to a cotton bud and wipe across your face and neck, but I prefer to put a splash into my hand, pressing and tapping it into the skin. Look guys, I'm not going to mess around here. You know me, I call it as I see it. This toner from First Aid Beauty is the best toner I've ever used. It's so good I cannot believe more channels and blogs are not constantly raving about it. This is now my go-to toner for my day and nighttime routines, and if you're looking to add a toner to your routine or want to change from your current toner, I recommend you give this a try. It suits my combination skin well, and if you have sensitive skin it would be exactly what you need. I just wish they made a bigger bottle. Have you tried this yet? If so, how did you get on? Or have you tried any other First Aid Beauty products? Let me know in the comment section below. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and follow me over on Instagram. I've been Bear Clark, you've been amazing, and I'll see you again real soon.